How to pick the right lemon law attorney for your case in California. My name is Lior Katz and I'm a Southern California lemon law attorney. There's a good amount of attorneys that do lemon law cases in California. However, you want to make sure that you hire an attorney that specializes in lemon law. Why? Because attorneys that specialize in lemon law know how to navigate some complexities with the lemon law cases, and they also have potentially good relationships with the other sides and can have a way to communicate with them and try to resolve your case in a much faster way. Another thing that you want to consider is whether you actually speaking to an attorney or a referral agency or a non-attorney. A lot of companies hide behind law firm or the name law firms in order to advertise their services, but they're not actually law firms. And when you hire a lemon law lawyer, you want to make sure that you're able to connect with them, listen to the issues you have with the vehicle, review the documents that you presented to them, and tell you whether you have a case. And even when you have a case with them and they're communicating with you, and when you ask for updates, they provide that to you. We would love to chat with you about your potential lemon law case if you have one. If you have a defective vehicle that was bought in the past 4 years and you have ongoing issues with it, give us a call 888-LEMON or visit us at mylemonattorney.com.